Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two cryptocurrency tools. First one is CoinGecko and the second one is CoinStats. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products, and in the end we'll try to find out which one is better from the other, if it's possible. So let's start with CoinGecko. Operating since 2014, CoinGecko is one of the go-to sites for live crypto prices listings. Alongside this, CoinGecko welcomes new crypto users to the community with educational material, yield gain calculations, and interactive giveaways. When first landing on CoinGecko, Bitcoin defaults as the top cryptocurrency with the largest market cap and network. However, there are thousands of coins out there to discover. Without the correct tools to refine your search, shifting through projects after project can be tiresome. That's why CoinGecko has categorized all the different characteristics of tokens to allow users to see a wealth of different data points and information relating to the crypto market. So what is it? CoinGecko is a website and a mobile app used to aggregate information regarding the performance of a majority of cryptocurrencies available. Using real-time data feeds, CoinGecko displays price information, trading volume, and price fluctuations over periods from 1 hour to 1 week to as far back as the available information will allow. Also, crypto assets are ranked by market capitalization, with the largest ranking highest. We can also progress our education with CoinGecko by earning candies. Every time you log in, I believe it's every 15 hours or 16 hours, you can get either 10, 20, up to 100 geckos, or those candies, a day. For those, you can go to your reward shop and buy yourself bundles or the books. Also, you can get $10 of CoinGecko swags or $5 of a Little Titan cold wallet, which is kind of nice. And you can check the store, what you can buy. So it's very, very tempting. Other than that, CoinGecko is providing you with recent information about your favorite coins or the coins that you are actually trading or owning. If you're lucky, you own Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and all the other. We can check, for example, SNX, synthetic network token. You can see down there the life cycle of SNX. Past 24 hours, you can go the 14 days up to 180 days or 1 year, completely up to you. But what's really cool about CoinGecko is when you check the market, you can see where you can buy SNX. And from the sheer look on all of these, you can see that really it's you can buy it in every country basically. But let's check CoinStats. So what is CoinStats? CoinStats is the rank 1 free cryptocurrency portfolio management and DeFi wallet app. So use your local currency and sync your favorite exchanges and wallets automatically to your CoinStats portfolio, so you don't have to manually add your transactions. And also, it's a real-time app, and you have everything in one place. Basically, it works pretty much as CoinGecko, but also it's free. You just have to log in and start it. And those are your wallets. You can connect if you have something else. You can also log it in. You can find, we can go with SNX. We see the life cycle and basically everything that we can see on CoinGecko And I really like this night mode that they are working with. Orange and black is always very nice colors, and you can really check even the fast clicker. You can see all the markets in here, which is not that visible because you don't have the icons that you know each store by, but it's very, very nice. I would go, if you're a small guy or newer guy, go with the CoinGecko and get the hand of it by just maybe earning those candies, and try CoinGecko, CoinStats as well. Both of them are very nice, and it's hard to define the one best for you. So if you have more questions, ask them underneath this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, leave a like or subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.